Let's do it. Hurry, Hiccups! Oh, part 11. I'm gonna do part 12. It's 8 o'clock, and I'm gonna do late. And you don't have this. Yes, let's start again.
Hungarian hiccups.
Too late! Can you feel?
And music by Johannes Brahms. Way to go, Rocket! This is spectacular! Great flying, Rocket! Hi, I'm Leah, and this is our best friend, Rocket. Today, Rocket is going to be in the Great Sky Race. Rocket, there's the starting line. Whoa, look at the planes. And jets. And helicopters. We know you're gonna win, Rocket. You're the fastest, coolest rocket ever. Rocket is really fast.
Papa, let's see. 3:50 a.m.
Wow. Rocket is singing his special race song. Hooray for Rocket!
What's the matter, Rocket? Actually, I can't. Sorry, look at the chat. Oh, the glass snap. The police are out.
Don't be nervous, Rocket. You're gonna
I
win
get
this
the
race.
feel.
Know it.
Achoo!
Huh?
Achoo! Achoo! What are you doing?
Stop fooling around, Rocket. You've got to get ready for the Great Sky Race.
Achoo! Shh.
Wait a minute. Rocket has the hiccups. Oh,
Sorry.
you ever had the hiccups? Rocket's never had the hiccups before.
Achoo!
Rocket.
Listen. Achoo! Achoo!
Every time Rocket hiccups, he goes backwards. But the race
That could be big disease. That hiccups.
Rocket hiccups.
Achoo!
But how do you fix
Kobe had to sneeze.
stopping Rocket hiccups? Must be sort of like stopping Kid hiccups. When I get the hiccups, Leo sneaks up behind me and yells, "Boo!" That surprises my hiccups away. That's a great idea, Annie.
We guys have been shit. Your Kobe fixed the sneeze. I'm in a rocket. Kobe, you win the race.
Yay!
Achoo!
How should we surprise Rocket? I've got an idea.
Let's get that crash the servo so the edge. It's taking. That's gonna go. Feel it.
Rocket!
Come on, over you two.
Come on! Welcome aboard!
Seatbelts on! heart is losing.
Blast off. We're going to need a lot of power to blast off.
So, what's you? Rocket, answer the questions of the youth. But the other than suddenly, what? Come on, it's go sweet, if the water, should be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We're here. Ooh, look at all the lovely instruments. Oh, I just adore Orchestra Ocean. Whoops. We really need to do something about these hiccups. Come on. Let's find the symbols. Rocket, lower your
I think it's over. Oh, we're gonna go. We're happy it's dead.
I see violins and drums and cellos, but I don't see any symbols. I can hear the symbols. Do you see
Guys,
the
take your symbols.
Yeah, there they are. Those symbols are loud. They're sure to surprise Rocket. We have to catch them. And
This is word.
Okie dokie. Rocket, lower the clapper catcher. That was awesome, Annie. Great job. Okay, guys. Now we can surprise Rocket's hiccups away. Rocket, let's head for land.
Rocket, I'll be the right back.
Will you help us?
This is a surprise, Rocket.
Great.
Cool, awesome.
Awesome. Now clap your cymbals. Clap.
Hey, what's this space say?
Now shh. Get your hands ready.
Hey, there you go. Feel the light.
When we clap our cymbals, clap your cymbals with us. Ready? Let's practice. Good going. Now let's.
Oh, stop it again.
Ready? Rocket loved that surprise. Waiter, clap your cymbals.
I don't go to it. Push to the rocket.
Does he still
Goofy,
have the
big
hiccups?
sneeze. You're right. Not sneeze
Your
here.
hiccups are still there. Don't worry, Rocket. We'll find a way for you to fly in the great sky race. What
Oh,
can we
no.
do?
Can you learn to kiss your space word?
Yeah, a bigger surprise should stop Rocket's hiccups. I have an idea! A big animal, like a tiger. That will surprise Rocket. That's a fantastic idea, Annie. We have got to go to the jungle.
Let's go to Rocket!
It's the Great Sky Race starting line. It's almost time for the race.
Oh, look at the speed!